sausage and pepper potato skillet. So I'm adding a bunch of onions and peppers to a skillet with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna give them a stir. So I've got green bell peppers, orange bell peppers, and red bell peppers, and then just sliced white onion. And then for the taters, aren't these adorable? They call them marble potatoes because they look like a bowl of marbles, but they're just baby potatoes. There's red, purple, and Yukon Gold. And I'm just gonna add about half of this bowl. I don't need all of them. There we go. And the great thing about baby potatoes is just how short of a time it takes for them to cook. And that can be the only thing about using potatoes as part of like weeknight cooking. Sometimes they take a while to get done. Not so baby potatoes. Okay, look how cute. I'm gonna add plenty of salt and pepper because they are in fact potatoes and they require it. So I'm just gonna stir these around for 3 minutes to start the cooking process. All right, check it out, Paige. We're making progress. Everything's starting to cook. So for the sausage, I'm using kielbasa, just a big old sausage, cut it into little coins. You can do a smoked sausage. You could even do like a sausage that has cheese if you want. Any kind of sausage you prefer is just fine. And then, love this next ingredient. A cup of beer. Hello. Sausage and beer, they just go together. Is that a cup?
A little more.
There you go, that's a cup. Okay, and then, forgot the garlic. I was gonna add this earlier. Minced garlic. To really drive home that beer and sausage theme, I'm gonna add some grainy mustard. That was a good 2 heaping tablespoons right there. And then I'll stir it into the liquid, toss everything together. Okay, looking good. Oh look, one sad piece of sausage is still in the bowl. All right, I love the look of this so far. So now I'm gonna put the lid on the skillet. Now I'm gonna let this cook for about 8 minutes until the potatoes are tender. Alrighty, let's take a look, Paige. Ready? Ooh, I love this. It's just kind of a hearty, pepper-centric, flavorful skillet, and it's all in one pot. So to kind of bring in a little healthful component, I'm just adding some torn kale. This is totally optional, but I love it because it doesn't really fall apart like spinach, but it wilts just a little bit. All right, so just toss, and as that kale starts to wilt, it'll just pop with the brightest green color. I absolutely am in love with this. Okay, I'll serve it. And I will just prove to you what an awesome one-dish wonder this is. Those little baby potatoes are perfection. I wanna get one of each color. There we go. Ooh, I love it. And then sprinkle on some parsley. Winner, winner, potato dinner.